Go-To Cycle bringing you another how-to video. Today we're going to change the oil in a set of Harley Davidson Touring air shocks. These shocks we'll be working on today are a set of 12-inch profile low street glide type shocks, and these have been laid on their side and leaked an unknown amount of fluid. It doesn't matter if you're working on 12-inch lowering shocks or standard 13-inch shocks, as the shock body is the same on both. According to Harley, these are non-rebuildable, but that is only because they choose not to sell parts for them. These shocks are very similar to early Honda Goldwing shocks, which are made by Showa, and Honda does have rebuild parts and procedures available for these. Fluid capacity on the Honda forums seems to range between 5 and 12.5 ounces, using anything from 5 weight to 10 weight to ATF. We know that draining a set of Harley shocks will yield between 10 and 12 ounces, so we're going to start with 10 ounces of AMSOIL 5 weight light suspension fluid, and from there we'll adjust the level and viscosity as needed. And this can be done without removing the shocks from the bike. The tools we're going to use are very simple: a Harley shock pump, a Mighty Vac, and a graduated measuring cup. The first step, with the shock suspended right side up and both airlines connected, apply approximately 40 psi with the shock pump. Do not exceed 50 psi at any time, and do not use anything but a shock pump, or you may blow the seals. Next, disconnect the shock pump, invert one shock, and quickly disconnect the airline to the inverted shock, and watch the fluid drain quickly from the airline. You may need to repeat this procedure 1 or 2 times. Alternatively, you can connect the Mighty Vac and draw out the fluid that way. Repeat the same procedure with the other shock. Measure out 10 ounces of fluid. Use one of the tapered tips in the Mighty Vac kit to connect to the shock's airline. And with the shock in an upright position, fill the Mighty Vac cup, apply vacuum, and draw in the fluid. Repeat until all 10 ounces are in each shock, and keeping the shocks upright, reinstall on the bike and test ride.